So now we're on to our investment, 100 million plus. This is usually the top one that we have, but we actually have bigger ones than this coming up next. But I'd like to invite up Monica Stahovska-Vaga from TPA from sponsoring and also thank them for sponsoring this award. And Dr., if you will read off our shortlist.
Here are the nominees. Acquisition of 3 logistics projects in Vesco Real Estate. Main bridge portfolio, New Bridge, Poland. Galeria Malta, Balna Asset Management. Spektrum Tower, Globalworth. Warsaw Spire Tower, percent stake, Madison International Realty. And Vars Sava Junior, Atrium European Real Estate.
Spektrum Tower.
So, tell us who the winner is.
TPA Poland is very pleased to announce that the winner is Spektrum Tower Globalworth.
Globalworth.
It's a good year for Globalworth. So welcome back and congratulations.
I was saying some more words last time. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for all advisors which was involved in the deal. We are very happy with the asset. It shows our attitude to good asset in Poland. Thank you.
Great. Please join us over here for a photo.
Thank you and congratulations.